How to fix Oxford Tube app not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix Oxford Tube app not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So there can be many reasons on why this app is not working. First is your network. Make sure you're connected to a good network. You can always turn off and connect to a better network. And if network's not an issue, an outdated app version might just be it. So to fix that, you'll need to go to your app store, go to the search bar, search for Oxford Tube, and after you search for the app, if you find it, if you see an update button available, tap on update and update the app. After the update completes, your problem should get fixed. If not, go to your settings and you need to search for Oxford Tube on your iPhone storage. So go to general for your iPhone storage, and finally on iPhone storage, search for Oxford. There we go. And then finally offload the app and then reinstall it back again. And that should fix all of your problem. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye.